sei se fica melhor, eu acho. A internet não está muito... Agora me escutam bem? Sim, né? Bom, mas na verdade, assim, trazendo de uma forma direta, eu acho que regular a inteligência artificial, ela acaba passando, né, pelas mais variadas áreas do conhecimento.
The distinct matter of that, AI also taking their own world, whatever it's reshaping the human being use. And let's try to categorize the information to get a better understanding. Predictive policies. AI is used to predict where any person or any acts are likely occur or happening in enforcing the allegation resource more effectively in our general life. Forensic analysis. AI is analyzing evidence such as DNA or fingerprint or biometric information and more quickly and accurately. So this is also providing your information through the AI system. Identification and surveillance. AI is used for facial recognition, voice recognition, and other form of identification as well as in surveillance system. The facial recognition, like the AI is nowadays using as a war weapon. We have been seen in our Ukraine and Russia war, on the other hand, Israel and Gaza issues. And legal research, education, industrial matter, and also the case management. AI helps in analyzing large amount of legal data, identifying procedures, the education, online learning, the court management, the case management, the human resource management is also taking the part nowadays through the AI system, which is also you are violating your freedom of human being. And ethical and legal consideration. In AI era, there should be a legal consideration because of that AI is going through a arbiter rather than avoiding the state rule and regulation. From that part, Bangladesh has been taken a great initiative in the year of 20 and 25 that personal data protection ordinance has been passed to protect personal data leaking issues as well as biometric problems. If are raising nowadays is a milestone to take action against the leakage of privacy. On the other hand, EU General Data Protection Regulation is one another milestone which is European Union has been recognized to protect the personal data protection. Moreover, California Consumer Privacy Act also another feather that has been introduced before the world to manage how AI should be litigated and also should be controlled. And second is AI ethics and governance. Optimizing the AI increasing assistancy, that should be on another issue to be legally and ethically considerate that how the AI should be used and how AI should be controlled. Privacy and the protection. AI technique or AI technology like the online education, fundamental matter assisting, the legal issues assisting is also should be a binding that that AI cannot randomly praise or express their interest without the human being consent. And the future possibilities and recommendation. AI can be a arbitrary, like we have already seen in the modern era where weapon. So the rule and universal guideline should be maintained. Otherwise, in future, that can be really devastating in our world. And AI industrial and also the arbitrary section. AI can be used the industrial and arbitrary matter. Besides human intelligence, our presence should be maintained. Real-time legal translation and transportation can be tempered. So AI that time can be a helping assistant where that would be a helpful to mistake by the human being. And emotion detection and also the testimonies of human being sympathy. AI is a machine learning, so this can be as a replace for emotion detecting and sympathy managing. A blockchain for secure evidence tracking. Nowadays, everything is day by day getting losing through the AI system. So the blockchain can make a COU, means Central Operation Unit for AI. AI is integrated in a way that enhances the system of human reshaping while safeguarding a fundamental right and public trust through the arbitrary of AI, like the cookie setting without your permission, the cookie setting without accepting, nobody can go through any information from the one line. So that should be another issue. And continuation engagement with interdisciplinary experts, ongoing evaluation of AI system, and a commitment to adopting policies as technology evolves will be key navigating the complex landscape of AI in the future. And lastly, conclusion, the real issue is not just AI, it's how we as associated or choose to deploy it. AI can be a tool for empowerment or control through the human being. The key is ensuring that privacy is not threat through the name of progress by the AI. Like in our constitution, the People's Republic of Bangladesh, Article 7 also expressed that as being a human of the state of Bangladesh, you have a randomly use or randomly go everywhere as being a citizen of Bangladesh. So if I discuss about the AI issues nowadays, so this can be a fundamental issues, and AI also should be a fundamental matter nowadays. So so the with the thoughts and the beliefs of our human being, this should be the future possibilities and recommendation that the centrally AI should be controlled through a COU, that means Central Operating Unit. Thank you. Thank you for giving chance to discuss about a very informative and also a fundamental issue. Thanks.
Thank you, Dr. Azi. It was a real pleasure to have you here with us. I'd like to discuss some points, but I'm afraid we don't have time anymore. So thank you so much. You are more than welcome to stay with us and try to help us with some more issues that are going to come around here. Thank you so much.
Actually, I was very pleased because this is a great pleasure or great place to discuss about a very very crucial issue nowadays. But actually, I'm very sorry because in my country now it's about to midnight. Otherwise, actually, I would take time more. Thank you, and in future I will be.
Good night.
Good night. Have a nice day.
Muito bem, muito obrigado.